Hello fellow crafters and welcome to maxdmcrafting. So I had the chance to create some flocking. This is a process very common, very classic, but usually you don't have extra time for do that. And it's the perfect occasion for show you this technique for save some money and have a beautiful flocking for your terrain. The first procedure is the purification of your sawdust. This is sawdust that I recover from the ground, basically. So it was very important to pass it through a couple of filters for reach the purity that I needed. The first filter is very thin. In this way you obtain the actual dust, so it's sawdust, very thin, very light. Then I pass the remaining in a second filter, little bit larger. These are more like wooden shavings, you know. They are very important because if you need, you can add a lot of depth to your flocking with these bigger pieces. Now I prepare the acrylic paint. In this case I'm using a gradient of about 3-4 green. A dark one, a middle one and a yellowish one. You can add water as you wish. You can adjust water and paint during the process. Don't worry, it's very easy. I'm using the darkest green for the wooden shavings. Then you see, with the sawdust is much more, it's easier to mix because it's more dust, it's more like a powder, so it's very simple to reach the right density. You will understand very easily that the quantity of water, sawdust and acrylic paint are correct, because at some point your mixture will be unable to suck other paint, suck other water, so it will be the right point. You will learn it by a little bit of experience. When I'm satisfied with the consistency of my mixtures, I put them on an aluminum foil for the baking process. In this case, the temperature that I suggest is around 100 degrees, and the time is at least 1 hour, but it depends of the quantity of your sawdust, the quantity of the paint and water that you used. So I'm checking my preparation after half an hour, and then I decided to wait another half an hour, and so on. Experience is the key, guys. If at the end your flocking is not completely dry, you can wait a little bit. Better if you spread it a little bit with the, with the wood. Then you can mix your color as you wish. In this case, this is what I prepared. And then we are ready immediately for flocking our terrain. A little bit of PVA glue. Flocking. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you found it entertaining, and see you all the next episode. Ciao!